Okay, Danielle, I want to go to your class and give you some feedback, okay? And you can use this feedback as you continue to develop it throughout EDU 601, okay? So when I go to the course description, it's kind of, let me get there, course description, kind of a mess. You've got a bunch of different learning outcomes, not really connected to what's going on in your course. What I suggest is you go back to your module learning outcomes, which are also no longer relevant. If you think of Module 1, what are you teaching in Module 1? Kind of, it's just empathic listening skills, really. And so you need to develop a single learning outcome. Maybe learners will be able to, I don't know about demonstrate, will be able to develop strategies for building empathic listening skills. Because when I look at your assignments, there's they kind of look at their skills in this great little self-assessment survey. They look at their skills, where are they strong, where are they not strong, and then in the discussion board they talk about kind of strategies for building those skills. So I think that I would just have one single learning outcome here. Learners will be able to develop strategies around building empathic listening skills, right? Okay, if I look at Module 2, click, come on. I think, I don't think, let's see, modeling. Maybe you should role play. Yeah, modeling, negotiation skills works. Display empathic listening skills works. Gain access and acceptance. Okay, I think those work. And so that's, okay, so this is where model negotiation skills comes in through the mediation strategies lesson, and then gain access and acceptance comes in the how to be a peer mediator. So be sure that these lessons tie back into your learning outcomes when you start developing your Module 2 lessons. I want to go back to Module 2. So this is a great lesson. I wouldn't touch it. It looks good. I like your activity. That looks good. I wouldn't touch that either, I think. Let me look at that one more time. Kind of simplistic, but how do you rate yourself? Complete the survey. Save your score. Yeah, I think that's fine. But now all the heavy lifting, whoops, sorry, comes to the discussion board. And this discussion board is really important because the heavy lifting is around how did you do in this survey, and what are your strategies, back to your learning outcome. Develop strategies for building empathic listening skills. What are your strategies for building those skills? So you need to develop a really high quality discussion board here, okay? So take a stab at it, send it to me, and let me look at it and give you feedback. This thing, I don't know what this is. I would get rid of it. I don't see that it's doing anything useful here, okay? Mod 2, all right? So these are just for you. You need to get rid of them. You need to integrate them into your lessons.
Thanks.
And then get rid of this, okay? So now you really need to work on these mediation strategies and these how to be a peer mediator. And again, tying back to these learning outcomes, okay? The empathic listening is in Mod 1, but these other two are you need to teach, okay? Your final assessment looks great. I love it. And I think you have a rubric. Yes, you do. So you need to teach, get these two lessons pulled together and get rid of the notes and resources, and your Module 2 will be in good shape, okay? So let me see, do we have, okay, you're using collaborative. Yes. Yeah. And then you're in good shape, okay? I think that's all I have to say, okay?